Okay. So this type of trading, this past few days, from Monday, yesterday, and today, I was really, really busy, and yeah, sometimes we left the trade, right? But that's because we already made profit around 20 or 36% this month. But again, we still going to make more if we can see some trading. So first of all, dito pa lang dapat ay nag-sell na tayo ng buying natin. Then para makasell tayo ulit, then babagsak siya. But unfortunately, we didn't made it. So what will I do is anticipate the US market before US dollar market. So I'm gonna close some of the trade which is in profit. So I will close the selling. I will close the selling. So hoping the price will go up again. So maybe break even, or maybe from the resistance area. We don't know, but I will update. So we're going to close the trade, yeah, and add the sell stop again. And then once I add the sell stop, I'm gonna add buy. In this buy, I will put stop loss. Okay. So I can also do like this. I will put stop loss dito sa taas, itong trade na to. Okay. So it means I'm going to sacrifice the negative from above, and I have plenty of rooms to trade scalping around this area in case the market will go up or the market will go down. I can still scalp this area. Okay. We will explain this one if you join the education. So we will have the education soon. Just hold tight. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. That's update for this trade. See you next trading. Bye bye.